Hi friends, before section I discussed about assignment operators, comparison operators and logical operators. In this section I will discuss about membership operators and identity operators. In and not in are the membership operators. Here the membership operators means it is used to test membership of a sequence is present in object such as string, list, tuples and dictionaries. The meaning of this definition is nothing but in any string. Here once observe, here x is equal to python is string. Here the p is one word. In this word is p in this word is available in one in the string or not, that only. Here p value is available in the string, so p in x value equal to python. This p word available in this x, so it returns true. And next, print p in x, same example. Print h in x. H in x means in this string h word is available, so it returns true. Next, print capital H in x. Once observe, in this word python, small h is available but not capital H is not available, so it returns false. For example, here I take capital H, then it simply returns true. And this membership operators not only support string, it support list and tuple also. Here I take one list value. In this list, python, java, one two integer values and one decimal values are there. First I take 1.15 floating value in x. In x is there one, is there 1.15 value? Yes, there, so it returns true. Next, print java in x. In x list, java value is there, so it returns true. And next I take tuple value x equal to 1 2 3 4. Print 1 in x. In this x value 1 is there, so it returns 2. And print 5 in x. In this x value 5 is not there, so it returns false. Simply, the meaning of membership operators is in this in this tuple, the value is there, then it returns true. If it is not there, then it returns false. And it supports string, list, tuple and tuple also. Next, not in operator. Not in operator means in this value, the either integer or any string and tuple list in this list string and tuple, the values are not there, then it returns false. Otherwise it returns true. See, x equal to 1 2 3 4. Print 2 not in x. False, because here 2 is there, but it print 2 not in x, so it returns false. Next, x equal to, I take one list value, same list value. Before example, print java not in x, but here java is there in x, so it return false. And x equal to java, print v not in x. Here I take only one string value, so print v not in x. False, because print is available in v is available in this java word, so it returns false. And next I take one space is also one character, so I take one space value. And space value not in x, yes, it's true, because space value is not there in java, in x value. Next is identity operators. Identity operators are used to compare the objects. not if they are equal, but if they are the same object with the same memory location. Same object with the same memory location. In this identity operators, two operators are there. One is and is not. It is very similar to membership operators. Identity operators also similarly to very similar to membership operators. Returns true if both values are the same object, and returns true if both values are not the same object. Here I will here I give an example. X equal to Python, Java, Python JAVA, and one integer value and one decimal value. Print the identity of X is 257104185924, and the identity of Y is 257107421907. Here the both identities are different. Both identities are different. Here I explain. For example, I assign A value is 10, A equal to 10, A equal to 10, and B equal to 10. Here the memory location of both values are same, but the memory location of A value, but here the memory location of A value is different and B value is different. This is the memory block. Here the memory block of A value, here the memory block of A value is different and B value is different. Here the A value is 10, A 10, and B value also same. Here the values are equal. And this is the A memory address, and this is the B memory address. Here the values are same. A equal to 10 and B is also 10. But the memory address, the identity of memory is different. Memory address is different. The address of A is different. A is different, and the address of B is also different. The address of B is also different. Different. So let's understand the example. Here the identity of X is different and Y is different. But let's assume X equal to Y. X equal to Y. Then once print X value, then both values are same, and both values are same. X equal to Java PYTHON and 100. Java Y equal to Java PYTHON 100. Here the identity is also same. Why? Because here we take X equal to Y. Here we assign X equal to Y. So the both identities of X and Y values are the same. But here I take X equal to same value, X equal to same by Java Python. Print ID of X. Print ID of X. X value is different and Y value also I take in separate, and Y value is different. Y value is different. Ideally. Here I take X value is 10, 20, and Python. Here the x value is 10, 20 Python, and the print x identity value is id of x 21617443661472. But here I take y value is 10, 20, 30, comma Java. Print id of x. Sorry, print id of y. Print id of y. Here the memory locations are different. Identity is different. Here the x value is different and y location is x identity is different and y identity is different. But here I assign x equal to y. X value is same and y value is same. And print id of x and print id of y. Here both identities are same because here I assign x equal to y. Next I assign x value is 1, 2, 3 and y value is also same 1, 2, 3. Print id of x. The values are same, but here the address of x value is different. Similarly, I print address of y value, id of y value also, id of y. See, here the values are same, but the identities are different. Here the values are same, identities are different. Here observe, here the values are same, but the here I take one memory. In that memory, I put a 10 value and a value and b value. Here the both values are same, but the memory address are different. That is the conclusion. That's about identity operators. Here see, and here take print x is y. Here the values are same, but memory addresses, identities are different. That's why it returns false value. And next, print x is not y. Here the values are same, but the memory location, the address and identities are different. So it returns true. That's about identity operators.